South Florida, brunch with me. And the best time to come here is during the weekdays after the morning rush or in the late afternoon. Welcome to Biscayne. So this is called Miam Cafe. So as soon as you come through the door, they're gonna hit you with a menu to see if you wanna leave or stay. Because it's not that big. At least for this location. Now you might see all over TikTok most people come here for the pancakes. I came here for the steak and eggs. Also, I got my eggs poached, and they don't serve alcohol at this location. Now, if you come here during their busiest time, you will have to wait some time. So I suggest their other location in Fort Lauderdale. So when you order your food, them give you a number because they don't have servers walking through. You know, I did get a matcha. I think that's what this thing is called, a matcha. Now this banana nut bread, y'all really have to try this. I've had steaks and eggs from a lot of places, but this is really good. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. I know also the salad was fresh. Those little tomatoes and onions. Yeah. If you know me, you know I don't eat a lot. But this is how you know the food was good. Get there.